actually. Good morning, guys. It is a beautiful morning, 7:30 in the morning, and it rained like crazy last night. So thankful for the rain, but we had a couple things that didn't turn out well because with the wind, or with the rain, came a lot of wind, and I'll show you some of our damage. So one of the things you can see when we have a heavy rainfall is that this clay you just kind of sink into, and so that's why we need to get some grass here, and I need to put some straw over it. You can see my footprints running through there, and that's how I end up with tons of mud. That's how I end up with tons of mud on my boots. But I bet you anything, the garden is so happy. And look at my broccoli flowering over there. That's broccoli that overwintered. And we have some starts. Let's see what's going on in here in the garden. Little potato coming up. So I have potatoes planted in here where I had broccoli last year. The onions got some good water last night. Everything's got some good water. I need to feed these tomorrow. These are my newest onion starts, so they're not nearly as big as this. These are like 3 weeks ahead of those onions. These right here, on this side of the bed that you're looking at right now, are the little onion bulbs that you put in, and these are onion starts on this side. Now, our broccoli's doing good. Some potatoes coming up there. Not seeing any potatoes coming up here. I think this is a potato that came up but then died off because of the frost that we had. That might be potato back there, I'm not sure. Here's our garlic, looking fantastic. I don't see any asparagus. Oh, there's a baby asparagus, guys. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Sorry, just a little excited. We did. Okay, so I said to somebody in a live a while back that our carrots didn't come up. Now, I had put pelletized carrots in this area, and there's only a couple that came up, like right there. But on the other side, where I didn't put pelletized carrots in, you can see a big one coming up there. But look at it. There we go, guys. Carrots. Carrots coming up everywhere. So I did plant them at the right time of the season. They just took a little longer than I expected. But we have carrots and we have lettuce there. We have potatoes in this side of the bed. I don't see any of those yet. And we have cabbage that has been chewed up by something. We have cabbage, and the collards right there are kind of gotten some frost damage on them. So that's too bad, but everything else looks good. Look at these pretty flowers though. I'm just going to keep this broccoli in this bed. I mean, I could harvest. There's some smaller shoots here. And this is the kind that you have small shoots like that and you can eat them. But otherwise they flower like this. And you can eat the leaves too. But see, they just get these little spindly heads like that. But I might leave those in as long as possible, let them flower. And then I can do a fall planting potatoes in this bed. And then we do have some, well, something's been trying to eat. Some bugs are getting that broccoli. And we do have some things coming up in this bed, which I forget. And then, of course, we have, that is evidence of, let's mix that up since I've got a boot on. Yes, we have fire ants in this bed, which they don't like to be disturbed. So I'm going to disturb them with my boots on. And then, of course, broccoli there. So let's take care of these chickens because obviously they're talking to me and they want to get taken care of. As you can see on there, oh, the door was open. The door blew open last night. Lovely. Okay. That is organic scratch that we're giving them. Let's turn off our fence so I don't get zapped. Okay, let's go get our eggs. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. How's everybody doing? Hi, Polly. And oh man, it's a mess in here. Okay, let's collect these eggs. Okay, Miss Broody, you are not going to let me get in there, are you? No. Oh, yep. Okay, we'll just leave you alone. Polly is hiding her eggs. She's still fertile. She's still being submissive when I go by her, but she's hiding her eggs. So back to work. And I got to show you something what our wind does. It's tearing up my plastic and some other things. Let me just show you. Okay, so this is what it does to my tarps. So I'll have to straighten that out. In here, we have plastic around the whole top there. And we are going to replace that plastic because this is what's happening over here. See that damage there? This piece totally fell out and is damaged, and the insulation is hanging in. So that's damaged for this whole area, because that's where most our prevailing winds come from, is south side, and that's south facing. So so we need to just take that whole side down. Actually, we're going to go ahead and take all these sides down and have them replaced. And I want to save them and see if we can use them for a greenhouse. So, you know, well, not all is lost, but yeah. So unfortunate storm damage. When we put that up there, they didn't say that it was going to be a problem at all. They said, hey, you want lights around the top of your windows? Oh, you got it. They didn't say, oh, that's not a good idea, because that plastic's not that strong. So, you know, not really their fault, but at the same time, they should know the durance, they should know that their plastic isn't going to be able to take that. So, anyways, but there we go. More grass is coming up. Isn't that lovely? So we'll do that probably next time you see us. God bless you guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.